Lourdes N. Silvano of Bajan, Cebu, having been elected to the position of Municipal Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Bajan, do hereby solemnly swear that I will and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and all others I will hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I will impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Congratulations, Mayor Silvano.